Meet the superheroes of All-Star. They'll help you become an all-star superhero too. Let's meet them. Courageous Charlie loves to try new things and is usually the first to try a new skill. Courageous Charlie likes the challenge of all-star cheer and dance. Honest Huck always speaks the truth. Bold and confident, Huck likes to help others become better. Can you be a friend like Huck? Positive Piper blocks bad words like a boss. She makes people feel better about themselves by spreading positivity, especially when they try a new skill. Example Ellie leads by having the best attitude and behavior in her class. She works hard and others look up to her. Star and Roman, the all-star elites. Star and Roman love cheerleading and dance. They've taken the lessons it's taught them to be confident leaders in school, their program, and the community. There's a star in all of us.